Daily for Programming 1, the class assignment. So for this assignment, I actually created two classes. I have my class dogs that has actually my 4 functions in them, and for this I just have them printing different text when I call the functions. I should talked to Mr. Perry as well, and he told me that I should do this in a separate class with my different bits of stuff about the dogs. And I wanted to work something in with the fleas, but it was just giving me too much trouble, so I just kind of left it for now because I want to get the assignment done and get it graded, and then I'll play around with it some more. But so my program's like this. I put my new pups, Fido, Pochi, and Rover. Fun fact, Pochi is the equivalent of like Spot or Rover or Fido in Japanese. It's like the generic dog type. And then I have my new dogs, and it runs function 1, and then it says please choose a dog, which just prints the dogs, right? So, or it prints this, you know, we have welcome to the pet shop, we have these 3 dogs, yada yada yada. All right. Then you can tell about the different dogs, and it'll call the Pochi.color, Pochi.name, Pochi.size, and same thing for all the different dogs. And if you give it a dog you don't recognize, it'll say, you know, I don't recognize that dog, are you sure he's on the list? And then, you know, do you think you'd like to adopt this dog today? And you have to choose yes or no. And if you choose yes, it calls function 2, which is excellent. We're happy to see him go to a great home. And if you choose no, it calls function 3. Whoa, crap, which I just closed. What is that? Dogs. That's too bad. You should feel bad about it. You're a terrible person for not adopting this dog. And if you say no, so I used a while here, a while loop. I had to pull that out. Look at these poor pups, sad face. Could you please find it in your heart to reconsider? And I actually left it that if you keep saying no, it just keeps saying the same thing to you over and over again, which I thought was really, really funny. And I was like, oh no, I want to fix that and maybe have it go back to the menu, but I was like, actually no, that's kind of fun because it's really persistent. But if you say yes, you know, it pulls function 4, which is, I'm glad to hear that, we have 3 dogs, and then it just gives you the information, and you just kind of repeat the same thing again. And eventually you're gonna get a dog. You're gonna get a dog. Is kind of how this goes, right? So playing this, oh whoops, I have a syntax error. What happened? Hold on. At line 41, it doesn't like something suddenly. Oh, whoops, sorry. I was playing around with this, sorry. We'll make this and else, and then we should run. My bad, my bad. All right, false start on the offense. There we go. Welcome to the pet shop. We have 3 dogs, Fido, Rover, and Pochi. I read that wrong. Please choose your dog, so Pochi. So excellent. Let me tell you more about Pochi. Pochi is brown. His name is, of course, Pochi, and he's basically a rat-sized dog. Do you think you'd like to adopt Pochi today? So I'll say yes. Excellent. We're happy to see him go to a great home, and it lets me leave. Now, let's see what happens if I say no. We'll say we don't want Rover today. No. That's too bad. You should feel bad about it. You're a terrible person for not adopting this dog. Look at these poor pups. Could you please find it in your heart to reconsider? And if I say no, it just spits it out again and again and again. It doesn't allow any escape. But if I say yes, you know, I'm so glad to hear that. We have 3 dogs, Rover, Fido, and Pochi. Please choose a dog. And I'll say, how about Fido this time? We haven't heard about him. And then, would you like to adopt Fido? I'll say yes. Excellent. We're happy to see him go to a great home. Now I have Fido and Pochi at my house. So yes, that is my my assignment, and hopefully that's what you were looking for, to call these functions out of the class file, because otherwise I did not really understand. But yep, that's it. So please let me know if I did that correctly. Have a great evening. Whoops. Command